Hello everyone, welcome to our new video. Our Facebook ad series is going on. If you want to watch the whole series, you can come to our channel and watch those videos from here. Okay, so in today's lecture, we'll show you how to run post engagement campaign in Facebook ads. So if you want to get more post engagement like post likes, comments and shares, then you can consider running Facebook post engagement campaign. Okay, so in this video, we'll show you how you can run post engagement campaign. Okay, so this would be a step-by-step process. So without any further delay, let's get started. So we'll be advertising for this Facebook page. So the page name is Queen's Fashion. So they basically are a clothing store and they used to sell Indian sarees. You can see over here. Okay. So I have researched all the ad copies and ad targetings for this campaign so that I can put them in my ads and create the ads easily. Okay. So what I will basically do, I'll be creating 3 ad sets in this campaign, and in each ad set, I'm gonna create 2 ads. So one ad would be for single image created, and I'm gonna use an existing post as an ad. Okay. So I want to do A/B testing for these 3 ad sets. So what I will basically do, I'll be giving same budget to each ad group, and I want to test them for next 30 days. And within these 30 days, we'll definitely get a winner. And on the basis of performance, we'll scale the budget of winning ad sets, and we are gonna be pausing the low ad sets. Okay, so this is called A/B testing. Perfect. If you see the targeting of ad set 1, you can see we are targeting age range from 18 to 45, gender as female, location as Dhaka City, daily budget as $10, and ad type would be single image created, existing post, and audience targeting. I'm going to be using Indian wedding shari, and this is going to be our primary text. Okay. Perfect. So if you go to the ad set 2, then you will see only one changes at a time. So the changes over here is gender targeting. So if I go to ad set 1, you can see at ad set 1, we're targeting only female. But if you come to the ad set 2, then you can see over here, we're targeting female and male as gender. So this is the only targeting I'm making at ad set 2. And if I scroll up a little bit, then you can see over here as the location, I am targeting Dhaka city as at set 1 location targeting. But if I scroll down a little bit, then you can see over here, this is basically at set 3. So I'm going to write at set 3. Okay. So you can see over here as the location, we are using entire Bangladesh at set 3. Okay. And this is the only changes I'm making at the at set 3. Okay, and other things will be remaining same. So let's implement them in my ads practically. Okay, so for implementing them, I'll go to the ads manager section, then I'm gonna click on create, then I'm gonna be choosing engagement, and you can see over here engagement is good for post engagement as well. Okay, so I'm gonna click on engagement and click on continue. Then I will name the campaign as Queen's Fashion Post Engagement Campaign. Okay. You can name it as per your requirements. So we'll not be selecting any special ad categories. Then if you want, you can choose A/B testing, but I'll be doing A/B testing manually from the ad set level. And if you want, you can choose advantage campaign budget. Okay. Then I'm gonna click on next. Then I have to name my ad set. So I'm gonna name it as ad set 1. Targeting would be 18 to 45 as age range. So I'm gonna copy it from here and paste it over here. Then I'm gonna use a pipe. Then as the gender targeting, I'm gonna use female. Then I'm gonna give a 5 again. Then as the location, I'm gonna use Dhaka city as at set 1 location targeting, and our daily budget would be $10. Okay, perfect. So I basically use this technique or template for naming ad set. So you can use it as per your requirements. So from the conversion location, I'm going to choose call on your ad. Okay. Sorry, not this. This one actually. Call on your ad. Get people to watch a video or interact with your post or event. Okay. And from the engagement type section, I'm going to choose post engagement. Okay. So you need to choose on your ad, then post engagement. And as the performance goal, I'm going to choose maximize engagement with a post. Okay, perfect. Then if you want, you can give cost per visual goal, but I'll not be giving any. Okay. And as the daily budget, I'm going to give the daily budget as $10. Okay, perfect. Then I started date would be October 12th, and as I already told you, I am gonna uh, test this ad set for next 30 days. So I'm gonna choose end date as November 14. So I'm gonna choose November 14 from here. Okay. And as the location, I'm gonna be giving the location as Dhaka city. So if you go to the ad set 1 targeting, you can see over here we're targeting location as Dhaka city. So I'm gonna search for Dhaka. Then I'm gonna choose this option, Dhaka division. Okay. Then if you want, you can choose any radius, but for the time being, I'm gonna be choosing current city only. Okay, perfect. Then if you want, you can choose this option, advantage plus audience. Our ad technology automatically finds your audience. If you share an audience suggestion, we'll prioritize audiences matching this profile before searching more widely. So you can give the audience signal from here, then you can use advantage plus audience. Okay, so I'll not be choosing this one. So I'm going to click on switch to original audience option. Okay, then I'm going to click on use original audience. Then as the age targeting, I'm going to give 18 to 45. So I'm going to be choosing 18 to 45 from here. Okay, and as the gender targeting, I'm going to be choosing female as at set 1 targeting. So instead of choosing all gender, I'm going to be choosing women only. And as the detail targeting, I'll be choosing, or I'll be giving most probably Indian wedding shari and shari. So I'm going to copy Indian wedding shari from here and search for it. Then I'm going to select this as an interest. So that means if a user have interest on Indian wedding shari, he might see my ads or she might see my ads. Okay. Then I'm going to be copying shari from here and I'm going to search for shari. Okay, perfect. And I'm going to choose this one as an interest as well. So what it will basically do, people who have interest on shari, they might see my ads. Okay, perfect. I'll keep the language targeting as all languages. Then from the placement section, I'm gonna use manual placement. Okay, and I'm gonna be choosing Facebook and Instagram. And you can see this is the ad placements where my ads will be shown. So this is the feeds, stories and reels, in-stream ads for videos and reels, and this one is for search results. Okay, perfect. Then I'm going to click on next. You can see this is the estimated audience size and this is the estimated daily result like reach, post engagement. Okay, so I'm going to click on next. Then I'll give the ad set name, ad name as single image ad. Then I'm gonna choose my Facebook page from here. I'll enable ad preview section. Then I'm gonna be choosing create ad from here. Then I'll click on add media and I'm gonna choose add image. Okay, just wait a little bit. So I'm gonna choose this image and I'll click on next and I'm gonna click on done. So I'm gonna choose 1:1 ratio. Okay, so the image has been selected and we need to give a primary text. So I'll copy the primary text from this section. So I'm going to be using this one as our primary text. Okay, so I'm going to enter the primary text over here. So if you want, you can give more primary text by clicking on add text option. So for the time being, I'll be using one primary text. If you want, you can use another 4 primary text. As call to action, you can choose. I'll not be choosing any call to action because I want to get more like, comment, and share. Okay, perfect. So this is one of the ads I'm going to be using for this campaign. So as I already told you, in each ad set, I'm going to be using 2 ads. So I need to create another ad. So for creating another ad, what I can do, I can quickly duplicate that. So for duplicating, I'm going to click on this 3 dot and click on quickly duplicate. It is duplicating one of the ads. So you can see over here, one of the ads has been duplicated. So I'll rename the ads as existing post ad. I'm gonna write existing post ad. Then I need to choose my Facebook page. Then instead of using created, I'm gonna choose use existing post. Okay, perfect. Then you need to select a post from here, or if you want, you can create a post. So I'm gonna be clicking on select post. And for example, I'll be using this post for existing post ad. So what you need to do, you need to select this post and click on continue. Then you can see over here, this post has been selected. Okay, just wait a little bit. It's loading. So you can see over here, this is our ads preview. Okay, so our existing post has been selected. Okay, so we have created 2 ads in one ad group. So as I already told you that I'll be creating 3 ad set in one campaign. So currently we have created 1 ad set. So for creating other 2, I can duplicate the existing one. Okay, so for duplicating, I'm gonna click on this 3 dot and I'm gonna click on quickly duplicate. It is duplicating an ad set, so please have some patience. And I'm gonna click on this 3 dot again for duplicating and I'll click on quickly duplicate. So this is the copy one, this is the copy one, and this is the main one. Okay, so I'm gonna modify the name of ad set. So I'll remove copy from here and I'll give the ad set name as ad set to 18 to 45 female and male Dhaka $10. Okay, so I'm gonna choose on your ad engagement type as post engagement. Daily budget I'll keep it as $10. Start date and end date October 14, November 14. Okay, then as the location I'll be choosing Dhaka city. As the age range, I'll keep the age range same as at set 1, and instead of using women as gender, I'm going to be choosing all. So this is the only changes I'm making at set 2, and rest of the things will be same. Okay, and I'll keep the ads same as at set 1. Okay, so I'll not go to the ads section because ads will be remaining same. So I'll go to the ad set 3. So I'm gonna modify the ad set name as ad set 3 into 45 female. So instead of using Dhaka, I'm gonna use Bangladesh. And I'm gonna remove copy from here. Then I'm gonna be choosing on your ad engagement type as post engagement, performance goal as maximize engagement with a post. I'll keep the daily budget as $10. Start date October 14, end date November 14. I'm gonna click on reset your start date. Then from the audience section, we'll be using Bangladesh instead of targeting Dhaka. So this is the only changes I'm making at ad set 3. Okay, so I'm gonna search for Bangladesh. So you can see over here, Bangladesh is appearing over here. So I'm gonna choose it. Perfect. So Bangladesh has been selected. And as the age range, I'm gonna be choosing 18 to 45. Gender, I'm gonna be using women. And as detail targeting, I'll be using Indian wedding shari and shari. And as the placement, I'm going to target Facebook and Instagram. So everything will be remaining same other than the location targeting, and I'll keep the ads same as ad set 1 and ad set 2. Okay, so we have created a campaign, and in one campaign we have created 3 ad sets, and in each ad set we have created 2 ads. Okay, so everything is done. So what you can do, you can check your campaign and your necessary ad set and ads, and if everything is okay, you can click on publish button. Okay, so I'll not be publishing the campaign because my payment method is not verified. So I have shown you for the demonstration purpose. Okay, so yeah, that's it for this video. Hopefully you have a clear understanding on how we can create a Facebook engagement campaign from scratch. Okay, so hopefully you have liked our video. If you like our video, then you can subscribe our channel, follow our page. You have a good day. Bye bye.